iamhealthy is an educational organization. iamhealthy is a private company specialized in training and educational areas: medicine, nutritients, general topics, nutrition facts, agriculture, plants and animals, recipes and cooking guides. How the food you eat affects your body. How the food you eat affects your body. The food we eat gives our bodies the information and materials they need to function properly. If we don't get the right information, our metabolic processes suffer and our health declines. If we get too much food, or food that gives our bodies the wrong instructions, we can become overweight, undernourished, and at risk for the development of diseases and conditions, such as arthritis, diabetes, heart disease and other diseases. How processed foods can affect your health. Sugar-sweetened beverages such as sodas, fruit juice, sports drinks, and specialty coffee beverages often contain high fructose corn syrup, a type of sugar with a high glycemic index. This means that the sugar is rapidly absorbed by the gut, causing the body to produce a surge of insulin, a hormone that allows our body's cells to either use or store sugar. Most of the sugars we consume are not used immediately by the body as fuel, but instead are stored as glycogen or converted into body fat. Repeated consumption of excessive sugars can contribute to obesity and, over time, the body may lose its ability to produce enough insulin, leading to diabetes. In addition, excess sugar in the bloodstream interacts with proteins to form harmful compounds known as AGEs, or advanced glycation end products, that contribute to inflammation of blood vessels and other body tissues. Over time, chronic inflammation leads to cardiovascular disease, stroke, and degenerative brain diseases. Processed, factory-milled grains, which include pasta, white rice, and unbleached flour used to make cookies, crackers, pretzels, and other snack foods, are stripped of fiber, vitamins, and other nutrients during manufacturing, leaving behind simple carbohydrates or starches. Starches are absorbed in the gut very rapidly, just like sugars, and when consumed repeatedly, can lead to similar chronic inflammation and weight-related diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, and obesity. Dangers of processed foods. Being overweight or obese. Tooth decay. High blood pressure. High cholesterol. Heart disease and stroke. Type 2 diabetes. Osteoporosis. Some cancers. Depression. Eating disorders. What processed foods to avoid. Sweetened breakfast cereals. Flavored potato chips. White bread. Fried chicken. Flavored candy bar with long ingredient list. Frappuccino. Mashed potato flakes. Energy drink. Flavored granola bars with added sugar and preservatives. Artificially flavored cheese crackers. How does healthy eating affect your body? In addition to sleep and physical activity, a balanced diet is one of the key elements of health and well-being. Healthy eating not only makes you feel good but also has a variety of physical health benefits. Since food fuels bodily processes, it makes sense that good food encourages optimal overall function. Eat a wide variety of healthy foods, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains and lean protein, for maximum health benefits. What are the benefits of eating healthy? Number 1, weight loss. Losing weight can help to reduce the risk of chronic conditions. If a person is overweight or obese, they have a higher risk of developing several conditions, including heart disease, non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, poor bone density, some cancers. Whole vegetables and fruits are lower in calories than most processed foods. A person looking to lose weight should reduce their calorie intake to no more than what they require each day. Determining an individual's calorie requirements is easy using dietary guidelines published by the United States government. Maintaining a healthful diet free from processed foods can help a person to stay within their daily limit without having to count calories. Fiber is one element of a healthful diet that is particularly important for managing weight. Plant-based foods contain plenty of dietary fiber, which helps to regulate hunger by making people feel fuller for longer. Number 2, heart health and stroke prevention. According to figures published in 2017, as many as 92.1 million people in the US have at least one type of cardiovascular disease. These conditions primarily involve the heart or blood vessels. According to the Heart and Stroke Foundation of Canada, up to 80% of cases of premature heart disease and stroke can be prevented by making lifestyle changes, such as increasing levels of physical activity and eating healthfully. There is some evidence that vitamin E may prevent blood clots, which can lead to heart attacks. The following foods contain high levels of vitamin E: almonds, peanuts, hazelnuts, sunflower seeds, green vegetables. The medical community has long recognized the link between trans fats and heart-related illnesses, such as coronary heart disease. If a person eliminates trans fats from the diet, this will reduce their levels of low-density lipoprotein cholesterol. This type of cholesterol causes plaque to collect within the arteries, increasing the risk of heart attack and stroke. Reducing blood pressure can also be essential for heart health, and limiting salt intake to 1,500 mg a day can help. Salt is added to many processed and fast foods, and a person hoping to lower their blood pressure should avoid these. Number 3. Diabetes management. Eating a healthful diet can help a person with diabetes to lose weight, if required, manage blood glucose levels, keep blood pressure and cholesterol within target ranges, prevent or delay complications of diabetes. It is essential for people with diabetes to limit their intake of foods with added sugar and salt. It is also best to avoid fried foods high in saturated and trans fats. Number 4. Reduced cancer risk. An unhealthful diet can lead to obesity, which may increase a person's risk of developing cancer. Weighing within a healthful range may reduce this risk. Also, in 2014, the American Society of Clinical Oncology reported that obesity contributed to a worse outlook for people with cancer. However, diets rich in fruits and vegetables may help to protect against cancer. In a separate study from 2014, researchers found that a diet rich in fruits reduced the risk of cancers of the upper gastrointestinal tract. They also found that a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, and fiber lowered the risk of colorectal cancer and that a diet rich in fiber reduced the risk of liver cancer. Many phytochemicals found in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and legumes act as antioxidants, which protect cells from damage that can cause cancer. Some of these antioxidants include beta-carotene, lycopene, and vitamins A, C, and E. Trials in humans have been inconclusive, but results of laboratory and animal studies have linked certain antioxidants to a reduced incidence of free radical damage associated with cancer. Number 5. Strong bones and teeth. A diet with adequate calcium and magnesium is necessary for strong bones and teeth. Keeping the bones healthy is vital in preventing osteoporosis and osteoarthritis later in life. The following foods are rich in calcium: broccoli, low-fat dairy products, cauliflower, cabbage, canned fish with bones, tofu, legumes. Also, many cereals and plant-based milks are fortified with calcium. Magnesium is abundant in many foods, and the best sources are leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Number 6. Better mood. Emerging evidence suggests a close relationship between diet and mood. In 2016, researchers found that a diet with a high glycemic load may cause increased symptoms of depression and fatigue. A diet with a high glycemic load includes many refined carbohydrates, such as those found in soft drinks, cakes, white bread, and biscuits. Vegetables, whole fruit, and whole grains have a lower glycemic load. While a healthful diet may improve overall mood, it is essential for people with depression to seek medical care. Number 7. Physical health benefits. It's no surprise that eating well affects your body in positive ways. A study published in Progress in Cardiovascular Diseases in 2015 analyzed the effects of 3 diets: a Mediterranean diet supplemented with nuts, a Mediterranean diet supplemented with olive oil, and a low-fat, calorie-restricted diet. The most health benefits emerged from the Mediterranean diets, which improved blood pressure levels, insulin sensitivity, inflammation, and other markers of heart disease. Upping your fruit and vegetable intake may help protect you from cancer, while supporting your immune system. Eating enough overall calories per day, ideally as part of balanced meals and snacks at regular time intervals, can help keep you energized. Healthy foods can even improve your sleep, which plays an important role in weight control. Conclusion. Tips. For maximum health results, avoid foods that contain trans fats or high amounts of sugar, cholesterol or salt. Although a healthy diet provides benefits on its own, it is best when combined with regular physical activity, so find a way to incorporate exercise into your daily routine. Avoid skipping breakfast, and always try to eat at least 3 meals a day, or 5 small meals throughout the day. Strive for balance, and avoid eating too much of one food group. Check out videos on our channel and subscribe for more.